Having trouble with enable to load camera roll on Messenger? Don't worry. In this quick video, I will show you a simple fix that works in 2 minutes. To do this, first go back from your Messenger and go to your phone setting. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear your app data. Now go back and scroll up and tap on permissions. Now make sure all permission is enabled. After allow all option, go back and go to your Play Store. Now search for Messenger. Now update your Messenger if it's available. After update it, tap on open. Now tap on your camera and tap on turn on. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem easily. Thank you.